Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so setup is smooth. Make sure your iPhone runs the required iOS and you're signed into your Apple ID. This links data across devices. Once done, open the Health app and tap your profile to review permissions and iCloud settings because backups prevent data loss. If you plan to use an Apple Watch, pair it now so the Health app can import activity and heart metrics automatically. Now configure the actual data sources and priorities so you collect useful metrics. Tap Summary and edit favorites to surface steps, sleep, or heart rate. This affects what you see daily. Next, set up Medical ID for emergency access and link health records if your provider supports it, because clinical data enriches insights. Finally, go to Privacy Motion and Fitness and grant each app access as needed, making sure the Health app can read and write the correct categories. Complete setup by verifying data flows into Health so your summaries are accurate. Review data sources and prioritize devices so the right sensor provides values. Remove duplicates that cause conflicts. Make sure iCloud Sync is enabled under Accounts to keep things backed up, and reconnect your Apple Watch if steps or heart data aren't appearing. If something goes wrong, restart both devices, toggle health permissions, and force a resync.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.